Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend. I am staying home because I don't want to be caught out in a dang crowd at the lake. My mother and all my family are going to the lake. Me and my fiance are gonna stay home and just chill. He's actually working right now because he does landscaping, but he's not gonna be gone for long, and then we're just gonna have a chill day at home. I'm gonna vlog everything. I have a whole list. I woke up, started watching some Gilmore Girls, and then I made some coffee. It's really good. And I hopped in the shower, lit a candle. Everything is so good. I need to take my medicine, my anxiety medicine, and also my birth control. So let me brush my hair and we'll take my medicine, and then I'm gonna start on doing some hobbies.
lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers.
I have been loving this coconut calypso from Bath and Body Works. I have only been loving it because I have to use up all of my body sprays. I have so many because right over here, I have a 3-tier drawer, and all it's got is body sprays, lotions, body washes, everything from Bath and Body Works. No candles. I always run low on candles super fast, so we gotta run out of this stuff real fast because, you know, I have too much.
I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine.
Alright, you guys, so first hobby is going to be playing video games. Woo! I've never even shown myself playing video games. I got me a Nintendo Switch last fall in 2022, so I've been using this off and on. Nowadays, I'm using it very religiously because I love video games and I found a great passion in them. It's a free freaking hobby. You don't gotta spend any money if you don't want to. I mean, yeah, you gotta buy the console and you gotta buy the games, but other than that, it's free. And I have games to last me. And one of the games that I've been playing is Fortnite. And it's a free game on Nintendo Switch. I got a Nintendo Switch. I love it. It's so nice. It was cheap because I bought it used. I bought it from this place called Game Exchange in my city. It's not like a super bad place. I still got it for like $300, but still, it's a great console. So I'm just gonna play Fortnite, and I'm watching Cozy K on YouTube, and I made some water in my Stanley cup because I had to take my medicine, and I already took my meds, and now I'm just gonna play video games. I'm probably gonna do some duos or something. Alright, you guys, it's a lot later in the day. I was just playing some Fortnite with I did squads with 3 of my friends, and we did that. We did not win, sadly, but we were playing Fortnite. Now I'm gonna read. I've been reading It Starts With Us by Colleen Hoover. This book I've had for a long time and I just have not gotten into it. I'm not even halfway into it yet. This is all that I've read. I'm trying to start speed reading because I cannot get through books fast enough. I try to comprehend everything and really understand the book. And this is a really good book so far. If you haven't read It Ends With Us, you need to read this after that because it goes off of that book. I love this book though. I've read It Ends With Us. Now I'm reading It Starts With Us. So let's read. I'm gonna go make me some lunch though because I'm hungry. Also, my IBS has been acting crazy, so I got these herbal laxatives. So TMI, but I got them from one of my mom's friends. I'm gonna take 2 of them. I took 2 last night, And IBS is no joke. Like, it sucks, really. And I'm going to be traveling soon, so, like, not even that good. Like, I hate when I have to travel and my IBS is flaring up. It's just not a fun time. So I'm trying to take these laxatives to get everything out of my system, get unbacked up, so that I can go on my trip and be happy and not feeling bad. So I'm going to take 2 of these with my water. They taste like straight herbs. And then I'm going to take the second one. And then we're going to read and make some food. And now I went to freaking McDonald's and we got food. And I've been so freaking sidetracked. But now I'm going to read my book.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I